Do you have that friend who men just hopelessly fall in love with her? She may not be talking pretty, but for sure she always gets her way with men that she loves. So, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Linda, and over here we talk about self development, womanhood, because what we know is career, degrees, niceness, loyalty is not enough to help you win in love. So, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Now, if you want to work with me, I offer one-on-one coaching, I offer email coaching. If you're looking to improve your love life, see details in the subscription box. And yeah, let's get that started. So today I want to talk about tips that you can use to channel your inner seductress. Now, the first thing a seductress is, she's very self-aware about who she wants, who she is. So self-awareness is really, really important for any woman who's looking to become more seductive. And I know seduction is a word that is thrown over there, and some people look at it as immoral. And some women don't even want to be associated with it. But the truth of the matter is, seduction is everywhere. It's everywhere. And especially for us as women, it's a way of gaining soft power. Now, since time immemorial, of course, we are women, and we are generally smaller built compared to men. So we were not in a position to be able to get everything we want from men, because men, of course, by then were stronger physically, and they could be able to get things by brute force. But now, as women, in comparison, we had to devise a way of getting whatever it is that we want from a particular man we like, and not just get it, but keep him interested in us. So that's where the whole seduction thing came up. And ladies, guys, if you're watching, seduction was always a woman's game. I know nowadays all the players, there's so much pick-me stuff. There's all these pick-up artists who are looking to seduce women. Ladies, we were the ones who, from the word go, designed the art of seduction. So it is within us, it's within our feminine power. Now, if you're self-aware, you may be wondering, what's the connection between self-awareness and seduction? The truth of the matter is, if you know yourself, you know which kind of men you enjoy, you know which kind of situations you love, and naturally you start to exude this beautiful energy, and that is what becomes very, very magnetic. That beautiful energy of a confident woman is so, so alluring, and you'll find naturally men and women will be drawn to you. Now, the second thing about a seductress is she embraces her femininity. Now, I know we live in a world where, especially if you're a working babe, we are in our masculine energy more than, I could say, 70% of the time, because you're sitting in the office doing all these, demanding jobs. You're having to play such masculine role. And at the end of the day, you find you forget to tune into who you are as a woman. So a seductress embraces her femininity, and she does not look at it as a weakness. In fact, she knows that it is within her superpower. So her femininity is what gives her discernment. It's what makes her look beautiful. It's what gives her that yummy sweetness that is such a polar opposite to a masculine man. And that polarity is what makes her so seductive. Now, let me know, do you know any woman or any of your friends who just, men just love to gravitate towards her? Let me know in the comment section. And let's get talking. So the third thing about a seductress is she embraces her personal brand of beauty. If you Google the word seduction, the images that come up, you will see women who look a particular kind of way. Most of the times, half naked, they have certain skin tones, they have certain hair, and it really puts a pressure on a woman to conform to look in a particular way. Now, if you Google some of the women who really just went across the grain, they did not look the way the convention society makes us believe. A seductress embraces her personal brand of beauty, and she's comfortable and confident in her skin. So it doesn't mean that she's all crazy or anything. She understands her body, she understands what flatters her, she understands what kind of fashion style suits her image. She really truly understands everything about her, and she knows how to package herself well. Now, the fourth and final thing is a seductress knows how to communicate with men. She understands that the way to through a man's heart is not through his stomach, it's through forming an emotional and mental bond with a man. So a seductress knows how to weave her words, she knows how to connect with a man, knows how to communicate with him in such a way that he opens up naturally and hopelessly makes him fall in love. So if you love this kind of content, let me know in the comment section below, and it will be amazing for me to get to know what your comments are and what kinds of topics that you'd want me to talk more about. Speak soon.